Sharefactory Studio now has Bits Editor, which is a new way to personalise and share your short gameplay video clips and screenshots on the PS5 only, not on the PS4 sadly. Sharefactory Studio Bits allows you quick and easy options to share your successes in your chosen games, things that perhaps didn't quite go so well, and various bits options which allows you to edit clips, add in various overlays, music, animated stickers, etc. So lots of options for you. Bits has lots of other things that I'll go into in future videos, so do check those out. You've also got a rebound feature which allows you to highlight a clip and replay and affect it backwards. You've got a doodles feature which takes a little bit of getting used to, but I'm sure will be of some use, and it's something new that we've never had before. So on the Bits editor screen you've got these options here, and in the top right hand corner it shows Bits up to date, and this, when you log on, you'll see that updating, and they're constantly adding things, it seems so far. You can choose the clip that you want and literally just change it, adding to stickers, text, sound effects. You've got icons, emojis, animated emojis, various different things to build a clip to how you want it. Uploading your Bits video is the same process as normal videos by exporting the clip to YouTube or Twitter or Messenger. To learn how to make your first Sharefactory Bits video, click on this video on show now. Please like, subscribe, use NoMoreNoobie as supporter creator code, it really supports the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think of Sharefactory Bits so far. Thanks!